Good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make lost and found format. Normally, first of all, you need to try make like this format and mention top tag number, date, location, item details, binder, contact number, email ID, guest name, belong with remarks, status of the items. This tag number means every hotel have tag book for lost and found. There is have number. Example, if you found lost and found, you writing right lost and found and all the details. The tag number need to mention here. When you found lost and found date, if you found date, you should have put here same date. Location, if you found any room number anywhere. If you found room number, you should have room number. If you found this in the lobby, you should have mentioned here in the lobby. Item details. What is the item? You should have mentioned here. Finder name. If our staff any security, you should have mentioned name. Contact number. You can see system, guest name, guest mobile, guest contact number. If there is some email address also, you have to mention here email address. Guest name also. You should have mentioned name. And below with normally non-valuable is in housekeeping store and valuable always we are keeping in security, obviously in safety box. Valuable items and remark. If anything you want to mention more, you can mention here remark. If guests come back and ask in this lost and found, if you hand out the guest, you should have mentioned here status of the items. Mention here hand out to guests. When you making this format, every month you should have to change. Means every month you should have to separate month. Example, if you make January, finish after you should have to again need to start new. Then like this, put February. This is easy way. And always keep month by month. If you found any food item, means dry food, if like that item is just you can keep like a 24 hour, but different policy. If any hotel maybe 48 hours, if like that we can keep and we can throw also. But non-valuable items we cannot throw. Normally in some countries we have to every 3 months we need to hand over to police with all the details. If sometime guests come in, we have to give their reference number.